The global SEO services market is on the rise, projected to exceed $140 billion by 2030, up from $82 billion in 2023. Small to mid-sized companies typically spend between $1,500 and $5,000 per month, while startups pay $750 to $1,500 and enterprises exceed $5,000 per month. Why SEO is needed? Let's listen to the story of Lisa. Lisa had a bookstore. To increase sales, she started a blog and uploaded all her products online, but still she received very few visitors. She started searching how to get more traffic on her website and came across a term SEO, search engine optimization. She realized SEO improves the quality and quantity of the traffic, thereby increasing brand awareness, local presence, and trust among customers. So let's dive into how to create an SEO. We will use Lovable to create a landing page and use N8N to create the agent which generates a detailed report. You will have to sign up in N8N website. I'll mention the link in the description. Once you sign up, you will get a 14 days trial account. So this is the dashboard. So first we'll click on the plus icon on the dashboard and we'll add a trigger. We'll search here for webhook as our trigger. So what is a webhook? For now, just remember that webhook is the entry point of our workflow. It serves as an input node. We have to configure some parameters. Here I am just replacing path name to some random text. You can give or define whatever you want. It's basically will be the link name. Now you can click on back to canvas to return back to the main dashboard. Now click on the plus icon, search for HTTP request, select the node, it will be added and just return back to canvas. Now click the plus button, search for AI, select AI agent, select the source as defined below, and in the prompt section copy and paste the prompt which I'll be giving in the description of this video. Now click plus button on the bottom of the AI agent which shows the chat model. Once you click the plus button, a search window will open. You select the Google Gemini chat model. I'll explain you why we used Google Gemini model and how to use it here with the credentials. So once you put the chat model, just rearrange the workflow on the dashboard. Now click again on the plus icon and repeat the same steps to add one more AI agent. You can connect the HTTP node with this AI agent as well. You just need to click and drag the port of HTTP from the HTTP request node to this AI agent node. Now you have to connect the outputs of both the AI agents to a merge node. Just select and add it on the dashboard. You have to connect both the agents port by clicking and dragging to the merge node. Now click on the merge node output and select aggregate node. You just need to follow the same steps. Once you select, click back to canvas to return back to the dashboard. The next step is to add the markdown node to the output of aggregate node. And finally, we have to add in the last node as our Gmail node. You have to select the Gmail function, and down below you will select send a message. Now here you have to fill in the to address field. It will be your email address, as well as you need to put the subject field and the message field, which I will give the contents in the description. Now as you can see, our N18 workflow is set up and ready. Now we have to head over to Lovable AI. Once you sign up in lovable.dev, you will see that the screen is divided into two halves, the left side and the right side. In the left side, you just need to provide a very high level command of the idea for which you need to create the landing page for. Here you also need to provide a webhook link, which I will explain you later from where you will get it. So this is how our landing page looks. It has an input field for the URL of the website to be tested and an analyze button. As soon as we submit the analyze button, it will go to the workflow of the N18. The red arrow on the screen shows the webhook address. Here on the screen you can see the demo of the final workflow. Here we have to execute the workflow, and you can see on the screen. Then we head back to our landing page and we have to provide the URL. In this case, I am using keytools.org, which is my own website. As soon as I submit the analyze SEO button, then we head back to our N18 dashboard. Here you can see the workflow is processing. Almost it has processed. Now as a final result, I should receive the reports in my email. So I'll head back to my gmail.com and I'll check my inbox, and here you can see I have received the reports. Now we will go through the process to sign up for Google Gemini Chat LLM. We head over to the Google AI Studio website and we sign up there for a free account. On this page, we just have to click the Get API key, and then we head down below. Here on the API key tab, we just click on it and copy our API, which we can use it as a credential in our N18 workflow. So guys, this is it. If any part is not clear, you can post in the comment section and I will ensure to reply them. Thanks for watching.